Hi, I'm Jess from RUFFLY, and thanks for tuning in to our detailed breakdown of the Stow and Go tote bag.
We want you to live extraordinary together with your dog every day. That's why RUFFLY builds ethical outdoor dog gear that does good, goes everywhere, and looks amazing. Your RUFFLY gear is leather-free, color-fast, and made by skilled women artisans and tailors in small home workshops here in the Guatemalan highlands.
The Stow and Go tote bag is a lightweight and convenient way to never leave home without a grocery bag, so you can finally say no to plastic bags for good. The lightweight nylon Go Tote grocery bag features double layers at the stress points and reinforced stitching at the seams. Load it up with jugs of almond or soy milk and don't worry about ripping. The Go Tote can probably carry more than your shoulder can. It takes only seconds to store the Go Tote. Just fold it the long way once, twice, and then roll it up and stash it in the Stow bag. The Stow bag features a hand-woven cotton exterior that beautifully and artfully matches your dog's knotted collar and leash. The interior is lined with semi-rigid nylon to reinforce the elegant shape and structure. The Stow bag has snap-button straps on both ends so there's no annoying swing or dangle. It's even sized so you can use it on your dog's leash alongside your only paw prints poop bag holder. They nestle perfectly beside each other, and they're so lightweight you'll forget all about them, until you need them. No more choosing between plastic bags or buying yet another tote bag when you stop at the grocery store during a dog walk or an outing together. The lightweight Stow and Go tote bag is always with you and never in the way. Thanks for tuning in to our detailed breakdown of the Stow and Go tote bag. If you have any questions about sizes, features, or anything else, feel free to reach out to us through our Contact Us page or through our live chat app at goruffly.com. And of course, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.